Hi everyone! This is a video lesson about Summon, the discovery service that the library uses. In the search options window of the University Library's website, if you click on the Online Resources button, you can search in all databases, electronic journals, and books subscribed by the University of Szeged. This platform is called Summon Discovery, Summon for short. You can also access this platform through our Search and Find, Online Resources, Online Journals, Books, and Databases menu. If you start your search through our website, then you will find your search results immediately on a new page. If you start your search from Summon when you enter your search terms in the search box, as you type, the autocomplete feature appears with popular search terms that you can click to execute a search in Summon. If you prefer to run a more detailed search, click on the Options link. After seeing the results, you can use the filters to further refine your results. These filters are located to the left of the results, where you can select how you want to refine your search, select the content type, date, discipline or subject term, and languages. From the results, select the content to read by clicking on the Full Text Online button. After this, you will be redirected to the page where you can view the content. You can also click on the More Options button to view the book record in the library catalog, or for some records, the PDF may be linked directly. To view more information about the selected record, click on the Quick Look button and you can view the full record of the content on the right. The detailed record includes the citation details for the document and links to the full text where available. You can use the tools at the top of the record to add the document to your saved items. This only applies to the current session. Share a link to the document, copy the article citation in one of the various formats, or a file containing the document citation details. To cite the content, click on the Cite tool icon. Select the citation style from the drop-down menu, then copy the citation. If you click on the Export As button, you can also choose between different file formats, which you can load into your reference management tool later. If you need any help with one of our subscribed online resources, please contact us through our eHelp contact form, which you can access from here or from our website. Thank you for watching this video.